Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Surgeon Simulator on Oculus Quest 3. First, make sure your headset is ready to go, fully charged and updated for the best experience. Then, head over to the Quest store to purchase and download Surgeon Simulator. Once it's installed, you can easily find and launch the game from your headset's app library. Get ready for some virtual surgery. Now, let's get familiar with the controls. Your left controller's joystick will handle all your movement within the operating room. To interact with instruments and body parts, simply use the grip buttons on both controllers. The trigger buttons are essential for activating tools and performing precise surgical actions. Practice these movements to become a skilled virtual surgeon. It's time for your first operation. Choose a patient and a procedure from the game's menu. The game will guide you with on-screen prompts for the initial steps, like making the first incision. Don't be afraid to experiment with the various tools available. Each instrument has a unique function, and mastering them is key to successful surgery. To truly excel, remember to keep a steady hand. Precision is vital in surgery. Take advantage of the game's tutorial levels to hone your skills before tackling complex cases. Once you're comfortable, explore the different game modes for varied and exciting challenges. With practice, you'll be performing complex operations like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.